morning. We're here to discuss about population variance is known.
Example 2. When the population variance is unknown, the father of a senior high school student tests down the expenses he will report when he sends his daughter to the university where he wants her to study. He hypothesizes that the average tuition fee is at less 20,000 pesos per semester. He knows the variable of interest, which is the punctuation fee is measured at less in the interval scale or especially in the ratio scale. He assumes that the variable of interest follows the normal distribution, but both population mean and variance are unknown.
The father asked at random 25 students of the university about their tuition fee per semester. He is able to get an average of 20 pesos with standard deviation of 500 pesos. Suppose the level of significance A is set at 0.5.
Step 1. Formulate the null and alternative hypothesis. The appropriate null and alternative hypothesis remain the same as in the previous lesson are stated as null hypothesis. The average tuition fee in the targeted university is at least 20,000 pesos. In symbols. With analysis, mu greater than equal 20,000 pesos. Next Sunday, the average tuition fee targeted university is less than 20,000 pesos in symbols. Each subject mu less than 20,000 pesos.
Step 2. Identify the test statistic used to weigh the given level of significance and the distribution of test statistics. Step the discussion rule. Specify the rejection region.
Test statistic. The population variance is unknown, and the number of sample is less than 30. Then, we will be using t-test or the test statistic. Follows the student's t-distribution with n-1 degree of freedom, which means the tabular value is the student's t-table will be used as a critical or tubular values. In the given problem, the appropriate test statistic to be used is t-test since the population variance is unknown. The formula is TC equal sample mean minus mu sub O divide sample
Decision rule. The decision rule can be one of the following possible. Number 1. Reject the null hypothesis. Otherwise, we fail to reject the null hypothesis. Number 2, reject the null hypothesis.
Much fun.
Null hypothesis that PC greater than PA and minus 1. Otherwise, we fail to reject the null hypothesis. Number 3, reject the null hypothesis. If BC C sub C is greater than D sub A divided by n minus 1. Otherwise, we fail to reject null hypothesis. For the given problem, the first is appropriate decision rule because our null hypothesis uses less than as the equality symbol. The decision rule must not overlap with the null hypothesis. Since the level of significance A equals 0.05, its tabular value from the table is 2.064. The decision rule for the problem could be stated as reject null hypothesis if T sub C less than negative T 0.05 and 84 equals negative 2.064. Otherwise, we fail to reject null hypothesis.
This test procedure is referred to as one-fold test. For the population mean when the population variance is unknown, and rejection regions is isolated as follows. Example of reflection religion. Guys, I drew an example like this. This is an example of rejection region.
Step 3. Compute the value of the test statistic. From the given problem, these are the observation data gathered. Sample random n equal to 5. Degree of freedom equal to 4. Population mean 20,000 pesos. The sample fee 20,050 pesos. Population standard deviation 500. Hence, the computed test statistic is A sub C equals sample mean equals mu sample divide sample standard deviation and sample size. 20,050 pesos divide 500 pesos. Sample size is 25 equals 50 by 100. Answer is 0.5 or negative this sub C equals negative 0.5. Step 4. Make a decision rule. With the computed value of the test statistic equal to negative 0.5, the next step is to use the decision rule. Reject the null hypothesis if T sub C less than negative T sub A. Otherwise, we fail to reject null hypothesis. T sub A, T sub C. Less than negative P sub A. Negative 0.5 equal to P sub C. Less than negative P sub A equal to negative 1.645. P sub C greater than negative P sub A.
Decision. The rule dictates that our decision is not to reject or fail to reject the null hypothesis.
Step 5. State the conclusion. Lastly, has sequences of the decision conclusion are made which are in relation of the purpose of the list of hypothesis will acceptance the null hypothesis.
Conclusion. Therefore, the father can say that average tuition pay is the university where B wants his daughter to study is at least 20,000 pesos.
That's all. Thank you.